everyone, it's me Ian, and today I'm here with the Niley22.
Hi guys, I'm Ian's mom.
And today we are gonna show you some fidgets.
Yay!
Like these ones.
So first one, all
First,
the links are going to be in the description box if you guys are interested.
Yeah.
First toy.
Puppets.
Yay!
They are the first ones to exist.
Well, in this house, yes.
In this house.
And of course, these are stress relievers.
Yeah.
But you can use them for math and everything.
Yeah.
So we got the square
and circle. This is the square with 36 bubbles.
Okay, now this box is full of fidget toys.
Yeah.
And all of these.
Yeah.
Let's start showing you guys. We don't know the names, okay? So
yeah, we don't know the names.
No,
first these basketball toys.
So they are
squishy with air inside.
Yeah, you can have your fan, your personal fan if it's hot.
Yeah, and second, and this is a.
Let's put the camera up a little bit.
Snake.
Yeah, we call it the snake.
The snake, yeah.
Because
and there's another one.
You can do a lot of figures.
Yeah. Figures.
And you can also do like this.
Yeah. And first this thing. This ball.
Wait.
Ball.
Now, we got two of these.
Yeah, the ball.
What do you do with this?
To connect these pieces.
Can you undo it?
Okay.
But no?
Try.
Okay, we don't know if we can. Oh yes, you can put this, undo this and put it back together. Yeah. So he took this out.
I took this thing out. The ball piece.
Yeah. Okay.
The ball piece. Whoa! I took out another one.
And then you put it back together.
This. Oh no! I broke it into pieces. I broke it in pieces.
Okay. Next
this.
You get two
balls.
Bouncing
balls.
Okay.
Whoa! And then this.
Oh, you get more than one.
You get more than one with this.
These are like stretchy. Oh, they have emoji faces.
Yeah.
And this one is like happy. They are like stretchy.
Yeah.
Stretchy dudes.
They will.
The stretchy dudes.
Warning, these stretchy dudes will easily break.
Okay, then you have these
Orbeez Balls. They look kind of weird. Listen. Yeah. And then you get these skateboards.
How many? Like four. Four skateboards.
Poorly made toy making.
No. Well, well, this is, yeah, it's poorly made, but it's fun.
Yeah.
It's plastic.
Yeah, it is plastic.
But you can do tricks.
Yeah, the tricks for these both. And
no, the things like that.
Yeah, things like that.
Do it.
Okay. Okay.
Oh, you did it!
Yay! And first this. Then this.
What is that, Ian? Let's see.
Let's open it. Let's open it up. Let's open it up.
Oh,
Let's
look.
see.
Look at that.
Wait, the change.
It's never going to disconnect.
Never gonna disconnect.
No.
Never gonna disconnect.
So you get 2 of these.
Okay, now, yeah. Oh my god, that's static. Ah!
What is that?
Oh no, but it has.
Well, let me open it.
Colors.
It has.
colors.
It's a
So,
oily thing,
yeah, it's
like a
oily.
lava lamp.
Lava lamp.
For a show.
This is a lava lamp, I think.
Well, it looks like a lava lamp, but look at the thing. You can. It's like these sand clots.
Yeah, is it dangerous to touch?
No.
Oh, it's just
It goes up
liquid.
and down really slow, and it's
Yeah.
like a timeout thing.
Yeah.
You get a mira, like a sand
Whoa.
thing that you wait for the time.
Yeah.
You see?
Whoa. Yeah.
Now let's wait. Ooh, so relaxing.
Yeah, this is
Now
really
it goes to the other
toy.
side.
Relaxing.
Now you
toy.
wait. You see?
Yeah, I see.
It's like a sand watch. Sand watch, that's the name. It's cool.
And then,
This is my favorite from the whole thing.
yeah, and,
My favorite.
yeah.
You can put this decorate in your room.
Yeah. And
Then
now-
squishies.
And then these squishy bears.
Oh, my favorite is this one.
Me too.
But you have to show the toys.
So this is the bear and this is the cat. Yeah, and then now we got these Rubik's Cube. We got these Rubik's Cube ripoffs.
Okay, 2 of them.
Yeah, 2 of them.
Then these things, they have
They have balls
a ball
inside.
inside.
This kind of reminds me of a finger trap.
Yeah. But it's closed, it doesn't open. It's just with the marble ball inside.
The marble.
It has a marble.
And now this.
No, the beans, the pea,
bean.
the pea.
The pea. The pea.
They have the pea inside, and you just
Aw.
open it and close. Like you just squeeze the pea, and it's like slippery.
Yeah, the pea.
So the pea goes out, okay?
Yeah.
And they have faces. Look,
Aww.
so cute. Okay, and the last thing are
Is the
these.
stretcher snakes. The stretcher snakes.
Wait.
The stretchers. Don't do that. Don't do that.
Do it.
Again.
No, but it's,
The stretcher snakes.
careful.
The stretcher snakes.
And that's it, right?
Yeah,
That's
to be honest, my favorite things, my
Are-
favorite Fidget toys are the puppets.
the puppets.
Yeah, the puppets.
Yes. And what else?
And
What else?
I need these Orbeez Balls.
These things.
Yeah, the Orbeez.
Yeah, my favorite is this thing
Yeah.
because I can
looks relaxing.
use it to relax. I think it's the best one. And you can use it to wait 1 minute.
Yeah, wait 1
That's it, right?
minute. Yeah.
Say bye.
Bye.